Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Chevrolet Corvette versus Mustang full comparison. Follow along and take notes on performance, comfort, cost, and ownership to decide which fits your driving needs. I'll cover engines, handling, interior space, fuel economy, and resale trends in simple terms. Expect clear examples, quick numbers like 0-60 times, MPG estimates, and typical maintenance costs. By the end, you'll have a practical answer for daily driving or weekend thrills. We'll start with performance and handling differences between Chevrolet Corvette versus Mustang. Expect comparisons of engines, horsepower, torque, and 0-60 times with clear context. I'll explain suspension choices, weight distribution, and braking, feel to help you imagine real driving. We'll compare track potential and daily usability, noting which car leans toward raw speed or balanced comfort. I'll also mention typical tire and brake upgrades. Quick recommendation and AD break. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Grab these leak-proof meal prep containers for easy, spill-free lunches and neat trunk storage. They save time, fit most fridge shelves, and make post-drive meals simple. I only share things I recommend. Check the description for the link and other deals if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll look at costs. Purchase price, insurance, fuel, and maintenance for Corvette versus Mustang. I'll list typical sticker ranges, insurance trends, MPG expectations, and common repair items in plain language. We'll discuss depreciation and resale realities so you can estimate total cost of ownership. I'll also highlight optional packages that heavily affect price and performance so you can choose wisely based on budget and intended use. Expect concrete examples with dollar figures and percent estimates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.